So here we are at the Feather River Nature Center and Native Plant Park. There's Table Mountain Boulevard, the new bridge and the old bridge behind it. We're off of Old Ferry Road, which is this little road right here we just came down. That would bring you down here and you would be able to get across the river in the old days. This spot right here, right close to the river, is a old Maidu fishing village. This is the site where they had a fishing village. Lots of salmon in this river right here. So the Maidu had set up shop right here where they could process the fish easily. So they do a lot of Maidu festivals here. There's a salmon festival they hold here in this little area. In 1849, the good old gold rush started here in California, and the miners came and they set up a tent city in the very same spot of the Maidu fishing village. So it's a prehistoric site and a historic site right here at the Feather River Nature Park. This right here was built in 1926. It's a historic bathhouse. It's a bathhouse. Anyway, floods happened, washed it out, and they had to rebuild it in 1996. So let's take a walk up here, check it out. I have to be careful for rattlesnakes. It is rattlesnake 30 here in Oroville. So you can see it's all built out of river stones. The bedrock. Here's the old bathhouse. All made out of stone. So this says bathhouse, built in 1935, Oroville's oldest park site. Feather River Nature Center, native plant garden, and interesting gate protecting that plaque. So at the end of the road of the Oroville Nature Center Trail and Park is this. It's called a diversion dam. This is the little brother of the Oroville Dam. This is the old shoreline of the actual Feather River when it was, before it was all messed with. This is a section that remains true to its shape and original location. A lot of places they moved the river so they could get to the bottom to get the gold out. So that little spot down there is the fish barrier dam. That's where the salmon fish hatchery is. Keep all the salmon from coming up here. Keep them out of the lake. This park also has lots of picnic areas, places you can just sit, enjoy the river. So now we're at a spot, a picnic table where you can hang out. But we are on the other side of the fish hatchery, and we're on the very top of the fish barrier dam. Check it out.